Hello and welcome. I'm stuck in a chair. And I see my subgoal thing isn't there where it should be. Let me fix this. Is this it? Yes, it is. Yeah, I deactivated my tracking for today since I'm mainly working in Unreal, so it doesn't really make sense to put on all the tracking. But I got still my face tracking, so I guess same as usual, but this time intentional. Also, hi Lorelia, hi Orbitus, and hi Boom! Off to a great start indeed. So yeah, today we will be building some stuff in Unreal. Let me quickly close this window, not OBS, oof. Back for deaths, oh no. I mean, shit. At least I don't have to gift subs today or something. They tell me I could become anything, so I become a chair. Indeed. Unfortunately, the frame doesn't work when I close it. So, I think you can see my Trello well now. So we'll start top left and just work our way down, I think, and maybe work a bit right. As you can see here, some stuff that is involving bits. Timing fail, oh, I'm sorry. Involving bits, so maybe we need to test that later. If someone has 1 or 2 bits in chat for testing purposes, that would be awesome. Since I can't cheer on my own channel, which is a bit annoying, but also makes sense, I guess. So we'll just start with this oof command by Blue, so just playing an oof sound. And also, since I have the editor running right now, my GPU and memory are just completely full. Unreal Engine is just pulling 20 gigabytes right now of RAM. So it's not a question if it would fail, but when and how often it will fail tonight. So don't be worried if I'm gone, just immediately gone sometimes, but that's okay. Also, I can show you this quickly. I finished this finally. So these are the sub milestones, and normally it would display the current subs here, but as you can see in the overlay, it's currently at 25. Yikes, indeed. And we hit all 3 of these on my first affiliate stream, which was quite nice. So we got my monthly supply of ice cream, my mobile phone bill, and my heating and cooling, I guess, of my place. Covered by just subs, which is pretty amazing. The next one will be pretty nice, I guess. And it is my internet bill, which is shitty. That reminds me, I ordered an LTE router the other day and just wanted to see if my upload was better with that, but it's just worse. It's like 4 Mbits or something like that with it. But today I ran around in my apartment and found some spots where it's a bit better, because I can see on the display how good the signal integrity is. And I found some spots that are promising. Now I just need a better antenna, I think, and maybe I can get proper internet with upload speeds, which would be awesome, since even third world countries have better upload speeds than I have here. But we'll see. Hey, Jan. Lurking. Alright, Jan, have fun in Final Fantasy. I saw you still playing it, I guess? And also, have you gotten better? Better, yeah. Better in the sense of, well, health-wise, not better in Final Fantasy. Also, have you gotten better in Final Fantasy? Let's just start by building the oof command. So, is here a bit of space? Nah, let's build it here underneath, I guess. So we need a new sequence pin here. Oh boy, it's laggy. This will be interesting to see. And let's copy this stuff and put it here. Wendy's new editor reminds me of Fallout Shelter. True. I also played that game for a while. I wonder what happened to it. One day I just stopped playing because it was like pay to win or something. And now I'm wondering what happened to it. Kind of like what happened to Fallout 76, I guess. I forgot to... Can I... What the heck? I just want this thingy. Let's get this one down here. That's a lot of memes indeed. We need more memes. We can... When we test the memes, you can see all of them in their glory. So these nodes are just for... Can I zoom in more? Ah, nice. So these... You can see create Twitch command. I'm getting my Twitch chat, so you guys. And here is how I name the command. So in this case, it would be oof. And the description, play oof sound or something like that. And now I just need to create a new, how is it called? Custom event. So these Oh, why? I mean, yeah, good. Was talking for like 2 minutes. I realized. Okay, let's do this again. I was just saying, it is TwitchWorks, and I can show you a bit how this is set up, I guess. So, let's start here at the graphics settings section, I guess. Event begin play is pretty self-explanatory. When you hit start of the app, this fires, so these white traces are what happens. So basically these are the lines of code that get executed after after another. All of these are console commands that I use for graphics stuff. So temporal anti-aliasing, sample count, bit of sharpening, frame weight, my max FPS set to 60, my resolution to 1080p, and my streaming pool size with which is the amount of VRAM that Unreal can pull from my graphics card. So in this case it's 5 gigs, but this is just the app when it's running. Also, this is just the app itself when it's running. The editor itself also needs like 3 or 4 gigs sometimes. So right now I'm sitting at, let us see, 7 gigabytes of GPU memory allocated to Unreal Engine. So that's why it is important that you export or package your projects so it becomes a standalone app, and don't launch everything out of the editor, which I'm currently doing every time, since I can't export stuff because some mods or some plugins just break right now because it's Unreal Engine 5 early access, so there's a lot of broken stuff in here. Sorry, but I'll be back in one game of Deep Rock Galactic. Got a friend in Asia who wanna play, and with time zones being that they are, I can't say no, otherwise they won't play for me. Alright, don't worry, Lorelia, have fun, have fun. So after applying all of these graphics settings, we get into my start desktop screen stream section, which is just, this is just so that my mouse cursor shows up after I hit play. Normally your mouse cursor would disappear if you start a normal game in Unreal. And this is basically getting the player controller. So in this case, I don't have a player controller since it's a third person, but this is basically grabbing my third person cam or my view and setting it to a new blend or view target with blend. So this means basically when you start the app until here or until here, your game doesn't have any reasonable output or any controlled output. You will just see the same frame as you would if you just would be here in the editor. So if I started from here, it would be from here. If you start from here, it would be from here. So you would have any possible angle, or here, hi Roomba Cat, any possible angle. So this basically says, let's take our view and put it to A-cam rotate. This is a camera I put into this scene. If I activate all of this, this is basically this camera, which is having this view. So when I start up my my scene, this is the view you guys will get. You love Roomba Cat. Roomba Cat is amazing. Also, Roomba Cat has a camera, which you can't see when I just disable all of the view. So basically, yeah, this whole setup of these 3 nodes, or these 4 nodes, I'd say, is just for setting up the camera properly. And then we get into the Ndi connection. Ndi is, I think it's a standard. I'm not sure. I use Ndi to basically stream my my desktop to my TV, which is back here. So when I start up my app, my real desktop will appear on this big screen TV, I guess. And that's what I use Ndi for. And this is also a plugin which is currently normally just for Unreal Engine 4, but I tinkered a bit in the C++ code, which was quite a mess, to get it somewhat working in Unreal Engine 5. I still get errors when I close my app, but that's okay, I guess. I don't need I needed to work properly when I closed it, so that's something. The slideshow shouldn't be in here. The slideshow is basically, I have a frame up here, this one, with fan art and meme stuff, and the slideshow is basically going through a ton of images and just, yeah, doing a slideshow of them, like it says. So where is my slideshow? Slideshow. Oh god, this is Shrek. This is not a slideshow. I should organize this a bit better, I guess. Is the slideshow up here? No, that's Roomba Cat image slideshow. So basically it starts slideshow and then creates a dynamic material instance, basically meaning I can get the blueprint to edit this image for me, this one. So it creates a dynamic material instance, and this is all pretty messy. and creates a timer. What does it mean and what does this mean? It means this set timer by event will fire this event trigger every 30 to 45 seconds, because I did here a random float and range. So after every 30 or 45 seconds or something in between, this event will fire, and I call this just loop timer. So basically this is just a check if something else is on the screen on the front, if something else is happening there. If not, basically, I should have labeled this better, it will get one image of the fan art array, which is all of this stuff. So it will get random, as you can see here, random integer and range of this fan art thingy, and get one of them and then put it basically as the texture of this material it created up here. And also, since I named all of this properly with the naming of the creators of this stuff, my brain is already full, I'm sorry. We'll do some easy stuff in a sec. Basically, because I named this stuff, it knows the names of the authors and puts it above the frame. So this is made by Lorelia, who was just in chat and Snow playing Deep Rock Galactic. And yeah, that's how that works. And then it's just spawning this NDI thingy, which powers my screen, and then it logs in into Twitch. So these are all pre-configured nodes, except the print strings from TwitchWorks. So basically it logs you in. When it's successful, it says success. Then it connects to Twitch and gets all of these special notes. So on a message, something happens. On a cheer, something happens. And if the login was successful, it will basically get my Twitch chat. And then it will start all of this stuff. So sequence just means do this, and it will do this white line to the end, then do this, then this, then this, and so on. So basically it prepares all of the Twitch commands for me in these small sections, and whenever this command name is written in chat, it will fire this binding node and just does all of this stuff which is behind this. So I'm not gonna go over all of this stuff, since that would be a shit ton, but we can go and build this oof command that Bubbles suggested in my Discord. So this oof command is basically just playing the oof sound. So to play something, we can pull this out and then just search for stuff. So since it's a sound, I just type in play sound, and we got play sound 2D. And here we can just select the sounds I have in this project. I think I haven't imported the oof command yet. Let me check this. Nope, I haven't. So I just go back into my content browser, move this around, and I have this oof sound on my desktop. There it is. I just need to put it somewhere sensible, like sounds. I just drag and drop this in here, and I have my oof sound. For some reason, Unreal Engine doesn't like MP3s or it likes MP4s, but it doesn't like MP3s or AC files, but it likes wave sound. So just keep that in mind. So this is the sound that we would import now. And then we go back into the studio and search for oof sound. And this is basically it. So we created a Twitch command for our Twitch chat called oof. And every time oof is played in chat, this will fire and basically just plays this sound oof. So now we need to compile and save this. I hope this won't break. It doesn't. And now we can test it. So I need to start this app for it. And I hope it doesn't kill my PC completely. It works kinda. So let's see. Where is Unreal? Also, why is this not centered? Like this. And why is this there? Alright. So now if we type oof, it plays the sound. And that's how all my stuff basically works. So I just have these Twitch commands and they just do whatever I said they will do. I also have some commands for my cameras. So we have cam 2, which is not very useful right now. Cam 3 to see everything. Cam 4 for these subscriber stuff. And the normal cam 1, which is just slowly rotating around here. So now that we have this one sorted, where is my thing? Trello. There's Trello. Let's close this one down. Also, if you type help in chat, you can see all of the currently available commands. Also, as you can see, Roomba Cat also names itself after the last chatter. Also, we have a cat cam. This is cat cam, so you can see what Roomba Cat sees. So basically, mostly just chat and yeah, the floor. Hey, more chat. So let's get back into Unreal and do the next thingy. That is, let me close Unreal for a sec. There we go. Which is Ice Cream Cone Head, suggested by Isekai. Let's do this. I imported all of the assets before stream because that sometimes is a bit messy and I didn't want to do that on stream, so I got it somewhere here. Ice cream cone, there we go. So this is just a mesh of an ice cream cone, as it says. Let's get it in here. So, damn, the camera is slow. This is just a big ice cream cone. For some reason it doesn't have a material, so we can just create one for now. Create new material, put it somewhere where it makes sense. Mats underscore ice cream cone. Now we can double click here and open it in the editor. And this is basically like in Blender, the node system. We have the base color and all of the other stuff that I think you're pretty familiar with. And now I can just hold 3 on my keyboard and left click for vector 3, so colors, and pull it into base. And now we need some kind of ice cream cone color, I guess. Let's try this. Save. And bit bright, I guess. Bit darker maybe. More saturated. Like this maybe. And now this is kind of an ice cream cone. So now we want to get it onto my head. We need to open my character for that. So Riku, where is it? Riku Eyes was the folder, I guess. Yes, that's the folder. So where is it? There. Now I put it up here. There it is. Character Riku. So this is basically just my character, as you can see. Hello. And we will try to put this ice cream cone on my head. So what we can do is get back here and select the ice cream cone. Where is it? Heads, ice cream cone. And basically just drag it into my character. Like so. And now we have a giant ice cream cone. Holy. Hi there. Okay, it's a bit too big. So the important stuff here is right now that my Unreal Engine is dying, which is not good. And also that we parent the ice cream cone to my character. So now it's parented to the mesh of my character, and it's somewhere in here. And there we go. And since we want to put it on my head, we need to parent it to my head bone. So we can just go in here into sockets and just search for head. And I have a head socket. So now that it is parented, we can finally scale it down a bit and adjust everything. Jesus, this thing is huge. That's what she said. Oh boy, still a bit big. Let's just try out of the... That's a bit small. Now it's in my head. Not very helpful. Well, let's... Nope. Please all 3 axes. Oh boy, this is way too sensitive. This could work. Yeah, this could work. So let's angle it a bit. Move it a bit forward. Angle this a bit. This looks kind of good. And now we can just put it onto my head. And just adjust it now a bit. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. This looks kind of okay. I think we can do it like this. Maybe just a bit down. And let's scale it up a bit. Like, oof, not like this. Like so. And let's put it down a bit. This looks good. Good enough for now. Yes, ice cream. So now that we have the cone placed, we could just play the game or run the app, but then the cone would be on my head all the time. Since I want to make a command out of this, we need to add it to my event graph here. So I already did this for all of the other heads. So here it's chef head, Christmas, clown, crown, head, fruit, tinfoil, traffic cone, all of this stuff. Now we just need to add it one more time for this head. I'm pretty sure there are smarter ways to do this. This is pretty jank, but I don't know how, so I'm just doing it like this. So we add a new case for my switch here and name it something sensible like ice cream cone, I guess. Like this. And then we just copy all of this logic. Copy paste it here, except the head itself, since it's not the Nordic, but the ice cream cone. I can just drag it from the left and it's in here. And now I need to connect this up to here. So basically what it does is when in chat the command head and then a name is typed, it will choose the right one and then put it on my head. So right now we just need to get the values that we assigned when placing this thing. So all of this stuff on the right here. Now we just need these values and put it into here so it will be at the right place. So I can just copy paste all of this. Since all of the models of the heads and glasses are not the same size, you have to adjust it for every item. At least as far as I know. Maybe there's a better way to do this. But that's what I did so far every time. So let's get all of this in here. That's it. And then connect this up. So after placing the head on my head, it waits a bit and basically, no. Before it places the head on my head, It also gets the name who typed the command in chat and set it as a text above my head. And after that, it waits 5 seconds and then gets rid of the text, so it isn't always up there. So this is how to place the cone on my head. Now we have the problem that if we would use the command multiple times, all of the heads would be on there, but they won't be deleted. So that's what this is for. I called it delete heads. So basically, instead of deleting it, it just scales them to 0, which is pretty dumb, I think, because it will use up more VRAM. But for now, that's my solution until it breaks, I guess. So we can just copy all of this, make this thing bigger. Come on, like that. And just copy this thing and put this in here. So it executes everything after another. Get the traffic cone out of here and get the ice cream cone in here. And I think this is the logic. And now, so it doesn't show up from the beginning of play, I just scale one of these values to 0. So now it's not visible anymore. And then we go back, compile and save. And start the app again. And hopefully it works. Let's see if it works. Add ice cream cone. It doesn't. Why? Because TwitchWorks doesn't want to work. Let me try this again. Basically, when you start the app and TwitchWorks, there is a pop-up in the browser that logs you in, and I just closed it too fast. So that's what I did. Now it should work. Let's see. Add ice cream cone. There we go. And now if we choose another head, like, I don't know, fruit, it gets deleted and replaced by the other one. So that's that. So far so good. And now I don't need Twitter right now, thanks. That was the ice cream cone. That's done. Now Riva wanted to see a halo, like an angel halo thingy. I think we can do this real quick in Blender and then import it just real quick. Or did I import some kind of halo? Let me see. No, I didn't. Let's make one in Blender real quick. Torus. Then we need just maybe 0.15. Yeah, it's so weird adjusting to the different controls of Unreal and Blender. Use them after another. I guess this gets the job done. So we can just file, export FBX. Just using my desktop now. I don't need any mats, so just call this Halo. That's this. Get closed. Now I go back here and create a new folder for it, so it stays kind of organized. At least that's what I'm trying to do. Oh wow, my stream is dying right now. Nice. And get the halo in here. Import. Now we have a halo, but we don't have any material on it. If I open it, it's just a ring. So let's close this again. Close this one again. And just create a new material. m_halo. Open it up and just get some emissive color and maybe base color. And just make some nice yellow. Like this. I can hit M on the keyboard and left click to multiply. So with this multiply value we can control the intensity of the light. So let's do 0.2 for now. Apply and save. Now we get back into the halo. And now we can here just search for m_halo. And we have the material. So this is the halo right now. Let's save it like this. And get back into my character wherever it is. There it is. So we can just pull the static mesh again into the viewport like this and parent it to my character like this. And now get the parent socket again, head socket, and now it's somewhere in my head. Where is it? There. God damn it. Hello? Halo? Ah, there's Halo. It's a bit small, maybe. Oh, it's scaled to 0. That's why. It's not that small. Okay. Halo head time. Halo top indeed. 0.1, 0.1, 0.1 maybe. This looks pretty good. Let's get it a bit further down. This looking good. Maybe tilt it a bit like this. Yeah, this is looking good. And also let's do the same thing as before. Go in here. Move everything because it's a bit in the way. Let's just move it to the side so I never have to move it to the bottom again. Kind of makes sense to do this. Freaking now an angel. Hey Bubbles, welcome. I'm not an angel, I'm the god of the ice cream. Bubbles, no, you're third. Yeah, Dome and Mr. Tree did some gifting, I guess. But I also put in your oof command. It's already in there, so we can use it now. So what's this? This is now called Halo. Did I copy this? I did. I did. Get this in here. We can test it in just a sec. Blue. How you doing? Bubbles, what are you up to right now? Get the ice cream cone out of here. Get the halo in here. And connect it up. And now we just select it again. And copy all the values from the right in here. Setting up an auto clicker to win Roblox quick. Oh no. Oh no. For which part of the game? For the pulling or what? No, we should get the scale in here. 200 IQ, yeah, minimum. That's a 5-head move, dude. The tug of war about, yeah, spam clicking. I saw that. I actually never played it, but I saw it somewhere. So this is now the Halo and all of its stuff. And now we just need the delete command again. Copy and the paste. Like this. Ice cream out of here. Halo in here. Connecting. And that's the logic for the Halo. And now we can just scale 1 to 0 and it's gone. And we can test again. So we can now also test your oof bubbles. Also, I'm stuck in a chair, as you can see. Alrighty. Let's see this. Head. Halo. Ta-da! It works. Nah, that's not cursed. It works nice. And head none. That also works. Or head. Asi. Okay, nothing happened. T-posing inside a chair is, yeah, it's better than sitting on a chair. As you can see, I'm asserting my dominance inside this chair. At least I'm not stuck in a step chair. So, that's the third one for today. Damn, we're going fast. Best for posture. I hope, I think. That's this one. Just going to hit print screen. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Get a good angle like this. Ah, doesn't work. Alright. That's this. Now we can do an Iron Man helmet again. So, where is this? Nice. Speeding through it even when you post. Aaron Pona, what up? How are you doing? Of course, of course. T-posing is the most efficient pose. And let's close this again. And let's see if I set up the Iron Man helmet properly. Okay, we have the source. Okay, we don't. What is all of this? Okay, we have the Iron Man helmet material. Hello, just trying to get used to some new planning software. What kind of planning software are you talking about? I keep getting awful umbrellas. What? What? Why are you getting umbrellas? Oh boy, it's lagging. Let's get the textures inside of the material of the Iron Man thingy. Yeah, Trello, I like Trello. It's just very simple. So let's get the specular in here, which is basically the base color. What do we have? Diffuse. So we have a diffuse value. We don't need diffuse. Let's get an emission. And emission, it goes into emission. A new one on Steam called Master Plan. I saw another dev VTuber using it and I thought it might help me as well. Never heard of it. But you said it's new, and do you know what kind of features it has? Or are you just starting out with it? So let's get, where is it? Glossiness. Since we don't have a glossiness but a roughness, it's 1 minus to get the roughness map of the gloss. So like this. And let's get the normals in there. Pretty normal, I guess. And I think that's it for this material. Apply and save. So let's close all of these down. I just saw the Iron Man helmet is a bit more complex since it has not one static mesh but like 1, 2, 6 parts to it. So we just drag all 6 into my character like Cadiz. And they are all called something low poly whatever. And now we just parent all of them to one of them and parent this one of them again to my character. And now we can scale it back up. Where is it? There we go. And I forgot something. All of these also need to be scaled back to 1. Let's get this in here. It's very visually oriented. Seems like it's intended primarily for game dev planning. It can be used to flowchart tasks, make notes, draw maps, etc. Sounds really helpful, I guess. Why is this so washed out? Or is just the lighting so strong here? I don't know. Let's parent. Let's get it first on my model, and then we can figure out the colors and everything. Head socket. So when we get duck channel in the Discord server, That's a very small helmet. I don't think you can make it fit. Ah, I'm very small brain. I can use it. That's okay. Where's the helmet? Up there. Hey, let's get down. And let's try to maybe 5, maybe 10. White helmet. This is my helmet now. Oh boy, this is cursed. Yes. Perfect. White Iron Man. Oh boy. Oh, that's a bit big. But I think we can use it like that. That looks really stupid. Let's tilt it a bit. Like this. Maybe scale it down just a bit. 8. Does 8 work? Kinda. Ears sticking out. Bit of hair sticking out. That's okay. It's just do it like this. Oh boy. This looks scuffed. I like it. White people are happy indeed. Darks. So this... let's get the texture in here and just saturate it a bit. Saturate. For some reason there only is desaturation for color. But if we use a negative fraction, it just saturates. So I'm not even mad. Let's do apply and save. And now it's properly saturated, I guess. And maybe we can increase the emission strength. But let's see first how it looks in scene. I suggest that you go through 18 hours of hell to make it fold out onto your head like it does to Tony Stark. Dude, that's so much work. And I don't know how to make animations yet properly. But I guess I could make jank animations someday. Let me just screenshot this. Let me screenshot this. Where's my Trello? Here's my Trello. Add card. Paste. At least it's... I won't forget it now. There we go. Let's get back in here. And let's rename this one to Iron Man Helmet. So I don't forget what it is. And create the logic again. So let's get back down here. I can just put this here. Just copy paste. And delete this, get this one in here. And since I parented all of these to just this one, I just only need to copy one set of transforms for it. It's on the board. The holy Trello board. Dude, it's so helpful to have some kind of planning software. I would forget like 99% of things if I wouldn't have this Trello board thing. Sometimes I just wake up in the middle of the night and just get up because I have a good idea and put it on my whiteboard, which I have here in my room. And in the next morning, I just forgot that I even did that. Look at my whiteboard and see, oh, there's some weird stuff on it. And just copy that into my Trello then. The auto clicker works so well. Nice. Oh boy. I bet at some point everyone will have one. Yeah, keeping everything in your head just ain't reliable. Yeah, indeed. I just forget so much stuff. Like everything. Iron Man. That reminds me, I need to go grocery shopping today after stream. Oh boy. Even if I remember everything on average, I don't remember it all at once. Yeah, true. Some days it's also just, what do I do today? And no plan whatsoever. But then I look at my to-do list and yeah, there's always enough to do. But sometimes it's just not the right day for doing stuff. Let's get Iron Man in here. So we got the logic, we got the deleting thingy logic, whatever, viewport. Now we can get the parent of them, scale them, compile and save. Did it crash? No, it didn't. Okay. I'm always worried that it crashes. Also, I should, if you mark nodes and hit C, you can create these comment bubbles and just name this oof. Put it here. Oh, it looks kind of good. Compile and save this as well. Also, one day I should clean this up and move these into separate blueprints and not have everything in here because it gets super laggy. And also, if I have everything in one blueprint, the game will just try to load everything at once into memory, which is also not good. It just loads everything at once. And that's also a cause of my, crashes and lagging. Now let's try, what did we just do? The Iron Man helmet. Play. Oh boy, there I am. At Iron Man. Ta-da! At, what was the one before this? Halo. Halo. Ta-da! Nice. Did we do a third one? I already forgot. Dude, I already forgot what I just did. What did I just do? Did we? Another one? Another one. Ice cream cone. True. Oh boy, there's the cat cam. Ice cream cone. We'll see. If it is there. It is. It is, it is. Nice. Okay, let's do the next one. Stop. Stop, stop. Cat Roomba Elite. I think I can add some commands that you guys can drive Roomba Cat. Oh, I should put that on my Trello. I think I haven't done that yet. Or did I? To-dos, is it in later maybe? Cat head. Leaderboard, subwall, toilet command. Soda cans head, the beer head is still needs to be done. Ice cream cone head is done, is done, is done. Iron Man helmet is also done. I will put you guys into the credits later after the stream. Frozen in ice would be the next thing. Let me just add Roomba cat controls. Like this. Now I know what I need to do. Rico frozen in ice. Let's do this. So since my tracking is super janked and freezes like 1 hour into every stream, Lorelia had the great idea to just create an ice cube we can spawn on top of me, so we have an explanation why I froze. So let's create a new Twitch command for this. Just copy paste again, connect this up, and call it freeze, I guess. And we will need another command called unfreeze, which we can do after this one. Freeze Riku. And I think this one should be... Should it be just mods? Nah, I think everyone can do it. If someone notices that I froze, you can type it in chat. Add custom event, like these. Call it freeze. So, how do I do this the proper way? Stream elements be spamming random. How do I do this? Since I already got the model in here somewhere, let me search for it. I think it's in props. Is it in props? It isn't. Where did I put it? I forgot to import it. Well, then we can import it. Get this in here. Import everything. Yes, yes, yes. So this is an ice cube. Kinda. More like a snow block, but this will work. And now we can we though? How do I do this the best way? I'm thinking if I should just place it inside of my studio somewhere or just attach it to my body as I did with the hats and the glasses. I'm not sure. Going to need an explanation on what the rewards redeems are, and I can't be bothered with Google Translate. Sorry, they're still in German, I guess. That's some very hard milk. Yeah, let's say that's milk. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, those redeems are mostly... Let me check for a sec. What is this? Lorelia posted a screenshot of it. Let me search it in the thingy. Basically, what are those? I think half of those shouldn't be even in there, so just ignore them for now. Oh boy, oh boy. Just make it your head and make it translucent. Yeah, this translucency thing will be just a bit challenging now, since I haven't done that really here in Unreal, but I see an opacity thingy. So maybe I just can't change this up to maybe translucent? Yeah, this could work. Opacity. Let's do a variable. And just see what happens. Wow, this isn't working. Ah, true. I forgot. Important stuff for everyone on Discord now has events. Nice. Important stuff for Unreal Engine 5. If you're using Nanite, which is basically the built-in read topology of Unreal Engine, it doesn't work on translucent or transparent shaders right now, so you have to deactivate it on the meshes to work. So I have to deactivate it on the ice cube, and now it's still broken, but we can fix this since the opacity has changed. Okay, the opacity slider is doing something. This doesn't look very nice right now. Maybe it looks better in scene. Are those cameras default in Unreal or are they a model? If you mean... oh boy. If you mean these cameras, they are in Unreal. That's the Cine camera actor. So you can just hit create, virtual production, simple virtual cam. Is it cine? I think it's cinematic. Cinematic and then Cine camera actor. These ones are those. So they are standard. But if you want, you can change them up. So they are not mandatory. You can just go in here and then... where is it? It's somewhere in here. There it is. Camera mesh. You can change it to whatever you want. So you could change it to whatever this is. Okay, I just hit the same thing. Wow. Let's... what's this? No, it's a mixer thingy. Let's not do that. I also have a cat Roomba in your office, but it's the cursed meme, not a cat on Roomba. Oh no, not that cat Roomba, please, no. Camera mesh is now camera cat. The sibling of Roomba cat. Oh boy. Can create flying cat or something. Camera cat. Camera operator cat. Let me get... I can't do roughness. Okay, then translucent is the wrong one. Maybe masked? We can do a lot of things on masked. Let's try masked. What happens if I apply this? For masked I would need a vector 3, I think. Yep, that works. Now I have to make it kind of gray to make it a bit translucent. Or not. Wow. But why? Okay, there is a threshold, I guess. So it's only only opaque or transparent. Send it in cool stuff. Let me check this out. Oh boy, no. Oh boy. What is this, dude? It's... That's no. Like, can you guys see it on stream? I can't make it bigger for some reason. Open original. This. Just no. Please, no. Oh boy. Let's get this out of here. Yeah. So masked is also the wrong one. Maybe additive. Also not really. What's modulate? Not really helping. Let's just go with transparent for now. We'll figure it out later. Save. Cast remote cat V2. Oh no. This is ice. I see. Let's see how it would look in scene. Pretty shitty. Oh boy, this looks bad. Let's get this. But I think it's good that it's still kind of transparent. I need to get the head out of there so you guys can see me still. Maybe like this. And now make it more opaque. 0.8 maybe. Fly. Ice material tricky, yeah, indeed. Indeed. Oh, this still looks kind of shitty. I think for ice I would need some kind of gloss shader on the surface, maybe with Fresnel or Fraction stuff. I know how to do it in Blender, but don't know how to do it in Unity yet. Let's just do this very jank right now. So why is this like dark? Let's make it a bit brighter. Apply. If it's a cube of snow, then it's true. Then it's easy. Let's try snow. I mean, why not? Save. Oh, I have a cube of snow. Let's go with snow then. Edward Snowden. Let's rotate this so it kinda works for the camera. Rico frozen in ice. Let's see how it looks on. Nice. Oh boy, now we have this one here. So let's do something. I'm gonna go on a quick toilet break and we'll try if the ads feature works on Twitch. So basically I don't do it for the money because it's worth nothing with just a couple of views. But if I play ads now, the new people coming into the stream won't get these 30 seconds pre-rolls, which are super annoying. So yeah, I'm just playing some ad if it works and we'll be back in a minute or something. And I'm back. Did the commercial thingy ad break, did it work? I'm just wondering because I can't see it anywhere. I googled ice materials and it's a lot of spaghetti in the material editor. Yeah, I think that's reasonable. Let's go with snow for now. Now we need to get this ice cube thingy. Let's name it snow cube now. Into there. And we need to get this. You gotta go. Be right back. Alright, blue. Let's get this in here. So, since we want to spawn this thing instead of just having it in the level at all times, we need to create an actor of it. So an actor is basically everything that can be interacted with in Unreal. So we just click blueprint actor, and now we can name it something. Let's name it a_snow cube and open this one up. And now we can just drag the cube we just had into this thingy, into the actor, and now we have the cube. And that's basically the only thing we need to do. So instead of this snow cube, this static mesh, which I just dragged into the scene to test everything, we will use this snow cube instead. So now we can just do kind of the same thing we did with the heads before, where I just copy and paste the transform or the location, rotation and scale of this cube, so it will spawn exactly like this one. So for this I'm going back into the level blueprint and say spawn actor from class, and class is the actor we just created, so a_snow cube. And now we need to enter a transform value, so we can just say make transform, and now just put all the values of this cube in there. But since that would be a ton of work and it's not very modular, I'm mostly using targets. So these targets are just floating around, these thingies, and I put these instead of the cube in there, since they will be invisible in the scene. So I just copy paste this one, move it a bit out of the way, and rename it target snow cube. And now I just copy paste the values of the snow cube into the target instead. Was this the right one? It was. I'm blind. This one? Yeah. And there we go. Set, there we go. Now it's in there somewhere. And rotation is pretty easy because we just have something on the Z rotation. Where's the snow cube? And there we go. And now I just adjust the scale to the scale of the cube. So 0.33 something. Where is it again? There. Do this on all axes. And now I can delete the snow cube. Now I see the target is in here. And if I go into my level blueprint, I can just right click, say create a reference to target snow cube. So this reference has all of its data basically. And then I can drag this out, get transform, get actor transform. And this is basically all the scale, rotation and position of this target we just created. And since it has the values of the cube we just deleted, I can just pull this one in here. And now it should spawn basically the snow cube thing. Now, the problem now would be if multiple people would spam this command, they will be just a million snow cubes at the same spot, so we need to account for this. So we just create a new variable here on the left. Let's call it frozen. And put it to the other booleans just to make it a bit more organized and get it in here. So basically this will be our check if I'm already frozen or not. And you can see here on the right is a default value. So on default I'm not frozen. And now we need some kind of if clause. It's called a branch in here. So let's search branch. And let's get frozen in here. So, and change this one. So it will be triggered, and if I'm not frozen already, it will spawn a snow cube, and after that it will set frozen to true. So if this will get triggered a second time, I am frozen, so it's true, so it won't spawn more of this stuff here. And I hope this will work now on first try. We'll see. Compile, save. And let's hit play. How did I call this command? Freeze. Okay. Let's hit play. And I'm back in my chair. And let's say freeze. And this works. So now we just need a way to delete this snow cube, which I'm not sure how to do right now. But I have an idea. Let's check this. I have an idea. Let's close this. Yeah, save Iron Man. Do whatever. We also don't need the ice cube and this one. Let's first comment this. Freeze. Can I make this any more organized? Not really. Okay, let's keep it there. And let's already create a new command for unfreezing myself. So we can revert that. Add custom event. Let's call it unfreeze. Let's call it also unfreeze here. And unfreeze Riku like this. And this will basically get all the logic to get rid of the cube. So I did something with my chat earlier that could help us. Where is it? Yeah, here. Get all actors from class. This is it in the for each loop. This is the stuff we need. Let's get this in here. Okay, this is pretty easy, I think. Get actor class, so basically a snow cube. So it looks into my scene and searches for all actors with the class snow cube. And there will be just one in the best case scenario. And I have for each loop, so for each element or for each actor the game can find of this class, something will happen. So in the loop body we just say destroy actor, and the target of the destruction is the array element. So basically the game will get unfreeze from chat, look, okay, there's one cube, let's do for this one cube the destroy action. And I hope this is just it. Unfreeze. Let's try this. Now we have two new commands for something's dead. Why though? Invalid pin connection from array and out connectors. Array of chat message object. What? There's no chat message. What? The heck? Okay, let's delete this one. What's this? Okay, this is just broken. Actor. Each actor For each. What was it called? And why is it not working anymore? I'm blind. Where is it? There. Get all actors from class. Get all actors from or of class. Of class. Get all actors of class. A snow cube. Does it work now? It does. And now we connect these array of snow cube objects reference is not compatible with array of chat message. Because I copied the stuff from above, I have to redo them. For each loop. And the array is this one. It's because the for each loop on the top I just copied already had the array values of the other stuff in there, so it did this error. Okay, now it should compile. And it compiles. Nice. Just save this and try this again. And now let's say freeze, unfreeze, yo, freeze. Oh, okay, if I say unfreeze, I have to adjust the boolean. Forgot about that. So if we say unfreeze, frozen should be set to false again, like this. So we can trigger freeze again. Compile and come on, save. Nice. This was the freeze command. Where is my Trello? Trello? There's Trello. We go frozen in something by Lorelia. Let's get this in here. Add appear and dissolve animations. What is this? I think I found some stuff yesterday for this. Let me check. Check. Is it in animations maybe? No, it's in character appearance dissolve. Yeah, here it is. Let's save everything and check this stuff out. Oh boy, what did I do? A ton of stuff, I guess. Come on. Okay. Do we have a demo room? Example content. Audio? What is all of this? Why is it only folders? It's not only folders. Okay. Example content. Materials. So basically these are animations I found on the asset store yesterday because they are free for the month. So I grabbed them. But how do I use them? Okay, let's see. Is there a demo room? BP display, demo instruct. Doesn't help me. Maps, materials, material functions. Okay. How does this work? I want to do this. Let's go in here and have a look. Time, sign, remapped, emissive multiplier, appearance is the color. And appearance, emissive multiplier. Okay. What kind of material is this? Masked. Okay. I think I can build something like this. But how? How do we... Can I get in here? I can. Interesting. don't want to do this right now. Ah, so this is the alpha channel. Yeah, this is basically the alpha channel of all of this. Makes sense. So if I get this one in here and put it on 0.5, it should be like half the sphere. Aha! Okay, that's nice. Now, if you can get something out of time that, like, what is it called? Timeline? Can I use a timeline? No, I can't. But what can I do? Can I do a lerp? I can't. I can kinda do a lerp. Alpha? Let's try this for a sec. Basically, I'm just trying to get this material to appear in a kind of way. What happens if I do this? Nothing. Nice. Okay. Let's get it back to normal then. How do I animate value inside of a material? Let's Google this. Animate value material Unreal. Animating material parameter collections. Creation. Okay. What is this? Okay, we need a sequencer for this? I don't think so. I also should put it on this screen. Let's check this out. This isn't helping. This isn't helping. This isn't helping. Ah, I could. Yeah, true. That works. I can put it inside of the script on my character with a timeline and set the material. True. That could work. Let's just try this. I have it somewhat in my head, but I have to get it here. We don't need any of this. We just need one parameter like this. Basically, let's try it with the ice cream cone we created. And also I have to get rid of this material. How do I do this? What is it doing? What the heck is it doing? Huh, it's not in here. Where is it? Where the fuck is this? Can I just undo stuff until it's not there anymore? I have no idea how I should delete that. Let's go back. It is doing things indeed. Okay, I can't do undo more. Let's not save this. Let's not save this. It stopped. Nice. Okay, let's get into the ice cream cone thing. Materials. Material functions. Standard. What is this? Can I? Ah, this was just a function. Alright, I got it. I got it. Let's first get into the head material. So we get... Where's fruit? Where's the ice cream cone? Ice cream cone? There it is. Let's get into it. Let's get into the material like this. Now we need the material function we just had like this. Let's do, this looks kind of like ice stuff. Let's do this one. Let's get these 3 maps in here. This will be changed to masked. This is now emissive color. Shut up. And this is now opacity mask. And now we just need this value to drive the appearance. So 0 is invisible. 1 should be the normal material like this. It is. And 0.5 should be somewhat in this animation thingy. Yup. That's cool. Okay. Now we need to convert this into a parameter called, what do I call it? Opacity. Opacity is bad. Animation is also bad. Whatever. Alpha. Let's do alpha. This is my alpha value now. Apply and save. Now we need to get this alpha value animated whenever we put on or put off the ice cream cone head thing. So now we have to go into my character again and try to do some stuff here so it will animate this this animation. Wow, animate animation. Who would have guessed? Okay. Let's create a dynamic material instance so the blueprint can use it. Dynamic material. Oh boy, create dynamic material instance. Where is it? Ice cream cone. There we go. And what is this material named? M ice cream cone. Okay, let's ice cream cone. Get this in here. So now we can basically speak to this material in this blueprint. So now we want to animate the value of this material, the alpha value. We want to animate it from 0 to 1, I guess. And also I need to put the default value at 1 or 0 and not 0.5 like this. So how we do that is how do we do that? With a timeline, yeah. Create a timeline. Timeline. Add a new timeline. Let's call this one ice cream timeline. And every time it should be played from start and not somewhere in between. And now we can double click on this. Create a new float track. Dude, I can't speak. So how long should this animation be? Like 0.2 seconds maybe? 0.2, hi, like this. And now we just add keyframes. Right click, add key, right click, add key. This one will be at 0, 0. This one will be at 1, 1. No, 0.51. 0.21, like this. Now we can select those, create auto curves, and now we can grab the handles to make it a bit smoother, like this, and like this. So now we have a gradual transition from 0 to 1, which is the right direction. Yeah. Compile, save. Where is my character? Here it is. So basically this will now do every frame some advancement in this timeline until it's finished. So in the update value of the timeline, we want to update the value or the parameter inside of the material. So we say set scalar parameter value. Hi back. And I think this is the wrong one. It is. Try this again. Set scalar parameter value on materials. This is the right one. Where is it? How was your game, Lorelia? Where the heck is my ice cream? There it is. Right. Now we get the parameter name. I named it, what did I name it? Alpha. Now we put just alpha in here. And the parameter value basically is this one because this is the animated track. And after all of this stuff is finished, it should resume with the normal stuff here. Oh boy, I hope this works. Yeah, this should work. Let's see if it compiles though. It compiles, what? Can't be that easy. Now watch Unreal break. Just hit play. Please don't crash. Doesn't crash. That's something. Add ice cream cone. Oh boy, that almost worked. I have a suspicion it's the Nay Night thing again. I'm still a chair. Yes, I'm the most powerful chair. Ah, not here. How was your Deep Rock Galactic game, Lorelia? A friend of mine is playing it like every day. So he got pretty good. After a while, he has also like 2,000 hours in it right now. But for some reason, I can't get this game working for me, I guess. Laggy but fun, oh no. Laggy because of the server or PC stuff? Where the heck is my things? We played on Asian servers. Ah, yeah, makes sense. Where did I put it? Head... Iron... No, head ice cream cone? There. I guess I have to disable Nanite on it. Yes. Save all, please. I think that's the issue. I hope that's the issue. If not, I look really stupid. But we'll see. Head ice cream cone. It works, but it's too fast. But we can fix that. Oh, that looks really nice, dude. Okay, let's fix the timeline and do like 0.5 seconds maybe. Or let's do 0.7 to watch this animation play out. 0.7. And save. Save. I said save. DRG is a really cool co-op game. Probably one of the best recent ones, to be honest. Yeah, I played it. Played it some rounds when it was free on a weekend in Steam. What are you trying to do with that cone? I will show you. I'm trying to get some cool animations here. Head ice cream cone. Damn, that works. It's really cool. But what if I now use another head? Head none. It just disappears. Okay, now I need to animate it again. If it disappears, how do I do that? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. That's me. I basically have to do this, but with a reverse timeline? Maybe? Maybe? I think that could work. Let's try this. But it has to be somewhere in here. Set relative transform. Yeah, it should be kinda here. Or like right before it happens. Or we just keep the animation when it appears and not when it disappears. That would be the easier way right now. Also, we can just connect all of these from this one. So I don't have to paste all of these always in there. So now I have to basically do this for every head. Oh boy. I won't do that on stream though, because that's just boring work. I can do that off stream. So let's do the next one. Let's get the Trello done. We did the done. Add, appear, and kinda dissolve animations. That's okay. That's okay. Nice party head. Now let's get the throw command by Nina in there. So Nina hopped on a Dark Souls stream of me, I think it was last week, and suggested that we just add a throw command so you guys can throw stuff at me when I stream. And I thought that was a good idea, so we're just doing that now. Let's get rid of these. Oh, I also have to adjust the materials for everything. Oh boy, okay. That will be a night of work. Rico stream having soon more heads than TF2. True. We need a head for everything. Also, I added some more heads that I could work in here. I have a pilot helmet, a combat helmet, some cat earphones, Ice Cream and Iron Man we already did. Then I have some new glasses. I wanted to add an air conditioning to my office since you guys reached the sub goal, so we can add this aircon, but a newer one, I guess. Oh, I also wanted to add a bonfire because all of this Dark Souls stuff. And maybe a vending machine here. That would be cool. Let's... should we... Yes, a bonfire. Let's get the bonfire in here. That would be fun. Props. Where's my bonfire? I downloaded it before. Here it is. Let's get a bonfire in here. Yes, import everything, please. I think that's a lot of small stuff. Oh boy, that's a lot of damage. Holy. Okay, basically we have a ton of stuff. Okay. So we need to create an actor for this bonfire. Bonfire head. No, please no. Oh boy. Actor. A_bonfire. Not bonfire. Bonfire is enough. Let's open it up. So currently we have nothing in there, but here are all the static meshes for it. Are these all? Yeah, it is. These are also, we can just drag them in there. And now we have basically a bonfire. Boy, this is a huge bonfire. Let's parent everything to the sword thing, like this. Also, we can get rid of the default root bone like this. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Now we need to do all the materials for it. Where are the materials? Here they are. Oh, interesting. The creator was German. I didn't know that. Let's makes it easier for me. Asche. Where's the Asche? Here. Albedo. AO. Roughness. All of these. Just put them all in here. Okay, what is this? This is... Can I see the title somewhere? Albedo. Okay, base. Then we have... What's this? Ambient occlusion. There we go. Then we have emissive. Very important for the bonfire. Then we have roughness. This is just basically playing some high-level Legos here. Assembling some virtual IKEA furniture. This is my normal map, of course. And this should be metallic. Yep, it is. Like this. Don't step on it. I won't step on this bonfire, no. And now we got the ash working for us. Nice. Next up, where is it? There we go. The floor, which I deleted, so we don't need it. I can't speak. Need it. Griff. So basically the handle of the sort. Griff. There we go. Get this in here. Yo, hey fellas. Fellas Nico. Welcome, how are you doing? We're currently just making my studio a bit nicer with the bonfire. And we also added some new heads. So next time we are on stream properly, you have new heads to play with. Griff. Roughness, there we go. And the normal, there we go. And metallic. Oh boy, this is much. Emissive. And AO. Safe. And now the handle should also be nice. It is. Nice. Dude, look at this detail in the handle. That's pretty epic. We don't need all of this detail, but we have it. Nice. What you making? Currently just making a bonfire from Dark Souls, and will put it somewhere in my office and try to not burn everything. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. What are you up to? How was your day, or is your day? What time is it at your place? Now we can go into Klinge, so the blade. And get off all of these materials for it. Klinge. Hello? Can I paste, please? Okay, do I have to drag them? Okay. I'm gonna drag them in there. So albedo and ambient occlusion. Also, where should I put it in my scene? Do you guys have a suggestion where I should put it inside of my office? The normal map. What is this? Metallic and some emission. Apply and there's an empty space on your left. You mean the corner where the FBI sometimes visits? But I don't think it's in direct cam view. Yeah, I think it won't be in direct cam view, or maybe I can put it on a shelf. But it would just fill the room up, and if someone uses plain cam or cat cam, it would show up, which is kind of an Easter egg then, which is also cool, I think. Oh, nice. Look at this. Look at this. Now we just need the stones and the bones. Knochen, the bones. Knochen, there. Let's get these in here. What's this? Roughness. And the normal map. And the metallic value. And more ambient occlusion. And albedo. I love this spaghetti. Save. Now we have the bones. And last but not least, no, it's schädel, so skulls and stones. And then we have everything mapped correctly. Let's get these in here. There's also a way I saw on some stream by the Unreal developers to automate this process if you have a ton of models you are importing, but the problem is you have to have the same naming convention for everything. And since I'm getting my models from everywhere, I can't use that and have to do it manually. As far as I know, maybe there is a way to smartly manage all of this texture stuff, but I haven't found a way yet. Apply. And save. No, those are done. Now we just need the stones. And sometimes while importing, Unreal just doesn't recognize some assets or some textures or some normals are flipped. So there's all kinds of stuff you have to look out for. More ambient occlusion. Dude, I'm thirsty. Normal, and what is this? Roughness. Apply, save. And we have a bonfire. Now we can put this bonfire into the scene somewhere. Where is it? There it is. E_bonfire. It's a bit big for maybe. This is a bonfire. Ooh, looking nice. Where should we put it? Yeah, it's a bit 0.07 maybe. How's RAM usage? We don't talk about RAM usage. It is. Let me check. Where is it? Just 12 gigs. Not that bad. It was 19 before. Hi, Beck. What are you up to, Beck? Why is there a mug on the floor? What the heck? You need a hello, my name is sticker. True. First you have to explain to me why there is a mug on the floor and why I can't move it. What? Okay, we now have a mug. Say hi to mug. Is there a spot in camera view I can put this? Not really, I guess. We can have a small bonfire on the desk for the Dark Souls streams. Like right next to the art. Oops. Like, oh boy, I'm bad at this. Default mug. No, it's not the default mug or default cube. I think I added this mug yesterday when I was playing around with some motion capture stuff. I finally, or basically Forfamit and me, were finally able to get some mocap stuff working to track objects better in Unreal. 0.02. 0.02. Can get this one here somewhere. It's a bit big still. Like this. Now we have a small bonfire. How does this look on cam? It's cool. Actually, everything in that scene has a position relative to that mug. Yeah. This mug is holding my whole scene together. I think this is a nice place for a small bonfire. But we can do more. Let me think about it. How did I do? Let's try something. Where is my material for the blade? Blade. There, Klinger. We need the emissive color, this one. Then we need... What was it called? Time? Was it just called time? It was. Now we can get a sine wave out of this. And do some fraction stuff. And maybe do this a couple of times. And get a multiply out of here. And put this into emissive and this in there. Does this work? Apply. Now we have kind of a flickering fire. I guess that works. Let's increase the intensity before. Multiply. Let's get a constant in there. Yes, very glowing. If you remove the mug, the whole scene goes away. Oh no. Let's see if multiply 5 is good. That could work. Let's try this in the app. Let's launch. Cool, now we have a kind of working bonfire. We should maybe add a bottom value so it doesn't go back to 0. A little too fast maybe, yeah, true. I need to fix that. How does it look without lighting? Okay, kind of the same. Because I still have my one light for my face on here. Yeah, the 0 gives it a flickering effect. Yep. Let's just add. I'm not sure if I should add here or add after. We'll see. Let's add 0.5 so we have somewhat of a default value, and then do some multiply here so the time gets multiplied. I don't know if I need a higher or lower value. We'll see. Let's apply this and look at it. Still a bit fast, but better. And where's my multiply? 5. Maybe I need to get rid of one fraction and add a bit less. 0.3. Apply, save. Okay, it's time is making it faster. Okay, we need 0.3 maybe. Apply. I mean, it makes sense if I multiply time with a higher value that it gets faster. Ah, this is kind of looking good now. Although the fraction is annoying. Let's get rid of the fractions. And let's make this sign still a bit slower. 0.2. Add 0.25 maybe, just apply. Save. Yeah. The heck? Now it just turns off. Okay. I think the sine wave is going from -1 to 1, so we have to add at least 1 to make it above 0 all the times. If that makes sense. Let's do 1.25. Timing's better, true. Timing looks better. I just need to figure out the values here. Look at this. This is working. Still a bit too fast though. A bit, just a bit. 0.1. Apply. Save. Now we got something. Yes. This is working nicely. Let's see if I can get it on the handle and the ashes as well, and if they sync up. I don't know if they could sync up like this, since I don't have any start value or something. Let's get all of this stuff, copy it, and put it on to... We need... It's in the ashes, in the emissive thingy here. Wait a sec. It has to be like here, and then go out here. Apply. Is it syncing? Is it syncing up? It is. Nice. Okay. Now we can get the handle as well. And then everything should work as intended. That's cool. That's cool stuff. Let's get this in here and connect the emission up. And now we should be good. Nice. This works. Cool. Now we have small bonfire. I need to change up this wall. Since in the start I just focused on creating the best view from this one angle, but then we added cat cam and plane cam and whatever. And now I just need to get the whole room looking nice. And maybe make the Code Miko wall a bit smaller. Let's see how the bonfire looks in cam though. Oh, that's really nice. It's very subtle though. But that's good. I don't want it to distract too much. Now everyone knows about the cursed wall. It's the fourth wall. We had to break it. Can I see the bonfire here? No. Okay. But you can see it here. That's cool. I really like that. Okay, that was a bonfire. Let's do something else. But first, let's put the bonfire. Add bonfire. And drag it into done. Just so I had a card that I could use. Gotta go, pizza's here. Alright, Marina, have a good meal. And what kind of pizza is there? Please tell me it's not snail pizza. Pizza. Whatever. Alright, let's do some more decorating. So, what do I have here? Mexican pizza. Ooh, that sounds nice. With some ground beef and beans, I guess? That reminds me I'm hungry. Thanks. Let's delete this and let's get my air conditioning in here. I need air conditioning. It's too warm in the summer and too cold in the winter. Let's drag all of this in there. By the way, if you guys don't know, I get my models from cgtrader.com, turbosquid.com, from the Unreal Marketplace, or from DeviantArt, or from Sketchfab. So basically, either I pay for the models, or I have them linked below in the credits section. So you can check the creators out. Now everyone in chat is hungry, indeed. Oh boy. 50 FPS? What? Where are 50 FPS? Do you have 50 FPS of the stream, or what do you mean? What is this? Okay, we have filter, we have glass, we have glossy, we have plastic silver. Let's first see how this aircon unit looks. Can I just rotate it? Nice. Top right. Ah, yeah, okay. That 50. Yeah, that's really low because I just have a lot of stuff running right now. If I have it in game, basically, so not in the editor, it runs 60. Because I locked it to 60. It would run like 80, 90 if I wanted to. So we have aircon. Where should I put this? Not on Miko, I guess. I guess it's good up here if I want to sleep. Yeah, let's put it above the bed. Hey, Yuna! Welcome. Why are you screaming yes? What's going on? Let's put the aircon somewhere. Let's move this one and this. And now we have aircon unit, I guess. Because this is awesome. Thank you. 1.5. We need a bigger aircon unit. I wish this was okay, not that big. I wish this was possible in real life. 1. I think this is good now. What brand is this? Hitachi. Alright, let's get this in the wall. Now we have aircon. Perfect. Alright, that's the aircon unit. The awesomest. Awesomest. Yeah, that's how English works, I think. Should it be more up there? I think, like there, maybe. Also, I saw, Boom, you're like Twitch verified. How did that happen? Let's get more props in here today. Also, Yuna, I can show you something really cool I just added. I need to start my app for that, like this. Because Isekai had the idea to add an ice cream cone head. And I wanted to test some animations. Now we have a cool animation if I put on the ice cream cone head. Also, I'm stuck in a chair, maybe. Head ice cream cone. Ta-da! Animation. I got really good at StarCraft 2 and streamed it for a year full time. Oh, that's cool, dude. That's really impressive. I saw you have like, I don't know, 6K followers or something. He's the guy, there he is. Yes, of course I had to do it. I just love the animation. It's so smooth. I now have to edit for everything, but it's cool. And I have like 20 different ones, so I can add a bunch. But won't repeat all of this now. So I was thinking we should get a vending machine in this corner, because why not? Also, Boom, what do you mean by really good? How far did you get at StarCraft 2? I'm really interested. I played it for just, I don't know, a couple of months, but I really didn't get really into it, so I didn't learn all of this stuff. I'm still playing with a board interface and a steady background. Oh, don't worry, Yuna. If you want to, I can help you with some stuff. And I think creating good content doesn't need this kind of setup. I just do it because why not? Because I just have fun creating this. Also, that's a ton of work. Riku, back to this awful posture. Nah, that's good. See? Master's Run. Oh. I guess that's pretty good. I don't know anymore, sorry. That would be nice, but my background was built in Unity. Oof, Unity. I don't know anything about Unity. But maybe some knowledge translates from Unreal to Unity? I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. Let's get the vending machine in here. Where is it? Can delete the aircon, can delete the ice cube, can delete the sound. I have the stuff on my second monitor, so don't worry. Vending machine, there it is. Oh boy, it's laggy. But also, frankly, yeah, I also feel Unreal is better than Unity. Yeah, Lumen is so nice. And also, why is my, oh boy, my stream is dying because of the import. Hey, Unreal crashed. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Dude, my upload is dead. What is happening? Jesus. My upload is just dead. What is happening? What the heck? That's interesting. How stable is UE5? Hard to say. It crashes like once a day at least for me, but I'm also messing with stuff I shouldn't mess with. So if you use it, I guess normally it's pretty stable. But also Unreal Engine 4 or 4.27 or what it is right now will also crash on you. Like Adobe Premiere just crashes or Photoshop just crashes. I feel like every kinda professional software has a tendency to crash. But I guess that's how it is. Now let's see where it saved last time. That is the thing I'm really interested in now. Because I don't want to redo all of the... Oh, hi there. Ha! Oh boy. I just wanted to say I don't want to do all of the bonfire stuff, and this is all of the bonfire stuff. Oh shit. What is this? Can you at least start now, Unreal? Thanks. Oh boy. What is... Some stuff is just dead. Okay. Let's see how much damage we got. Let's see if the bonfire is even in here. Okay, the folder is there. Are the props in there? Why is my PC lagging? Okay, PC is freezing. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Let's just please PC, be nice. Oh, I need a 3090 for this. Oh no. It's still dying. Oh boy. Dude, my graphics card is dying right now. Not because it's too much, but because the VRAM is full. Oh no. Jeez. Unreal, please. Behave. Oh god. I mean, you probably shouldn't mess around with random settings, but it's always fun to ruin your properly working settings and have it constantly bug you that you don't know what to change. Do you know some Unreal Engine 4 though? Unreal Engine 4 and 5 is basically the same from that perspective. Unreal Engine 5 just has two new features, which are Lumen, so full global illumination, and Nanite. Nanite is basically you can throw anything at Unreal, so any mesh with way too much polygons, and Unreal Engine 5 will be okay using it because it will do some math to create its own meshes. So that's a thing Unreal Engine 4 can't do, but that's only a problem if you have like over 20 to 25 million polygons in your scene. So for VTubing, it's really not a feature you need. Yeah, and Lumen is just nice to look at. Can my PC please stop dying now? That would be awesome. Where's my mouse? I will ask you about a thing or two then, because I eventually want to start making a game in Unreal Engine 4. Yeah, sure, do that. Do that. Maybe I can help. Dude, my PC is fucking dying. I have like 0.46 FPS according to OBS. Oh boy, trying to get to the task manager. That's a hard thing. Yes, please, task manager, please. Let's kill Unreal Engine again. And try to relaunch it. The only word I could properly take it was polygon. Shit. Oh boy, Unreal, please. Jeez. Also, why is SteamVR pulling so much GPU right now? What is it? It's not SteamVR. What is pulling 100% GPU? Unreal is like 23, OBS 25, Discord a bit. What the heck? Dude. Stream delays 5 minutes. Oh shit. Polygon, write it down. Oh boy. Let me get this sorted. I'm trying to navigate my mouse in the task manager with 0 FPS. Oh boy. I clicked. Now let's see how long it takes to the click to be recognized. Hey, it recognized the click. Now I need to end the task. Move mouse. Where's my mouse? Oh god. Yeah, Unreal really be like that. Oh no. But I don't think it's Unreal alone. Something else is messing me up here. I think it's again the window Explorer, whatever. For some reason it sometimes just spikes up to 50% GPU, which is a bit annoying. Can I end Unreal, please? Now? I hit end task. Did Unreal just crash out of nowhere? Yes, Unreal just died out of nowhere again. Oof, we're finally to a smooth thing. Let me... Room Bucket is taking GPU. Nah, Room Bucket is fine. Stream died. Yeah, I killed it with Task Manager so I can reset it. Should be fine again. Okay. Let's try this again. Launch Unreal Engine 5. And back. Okay, still a huge delay then. Dude, what? This is why I stick with Blender. Yeah, but you can't do all of this in Blender. Can't build a game in Blender. Fun fact, Blender once had a game engine. And it was really jank, but you could build games in Blender, which was really cool. Okay, now we're back here. So basically, what I want to do is get into the Bonfire folder and see if it's still there. Okay, we still have... You can make a smoothie in a blender though. I think I can make a smoothie with Unreal as well. I just have to try hard enough. Okay, we lost the animated material on the bonfire and the bonfire actor itself, but that's okay. We can get that in here really quick. A_bonfire. Open it. Please don't kill everything. Thanks. Don't open in a separate window that just kills everything. Thanks. And get off all of these in the bonfire. There we go. Perfect. Now we just need to redo the materials really quickly. Sure. Oh, it's still in here. So it only deleted the actor. That's nice. If my PC does become an atomic bomb, on the bright side, Japan has been hit by nukes twice and is still a civilized society, so damage won't be too bad. True, I would argue Japan has one of the best societies. Maybe you need atom bombs. Hot take, I know. My bonfire is a bit big. Maybe. Let's do 0.02, 0.02, 0.02. Where's my bonfire? There's my bonfire. Sorry, I'm in the UK, not Germany. I have volcanoes, bonfires. Now it's a bonfire from the Dark Souls. And it's not animating for some reason, which I need to figure out in a sec. But we could call them bonfires. Alright, this is basically where I had it, I think. Now I need to see why this isn't animating. Why are you not animating? Because no one knows. We have time, we have add, we have multiply. With this multiply and it's connected. It should animate. Stretch it up and you have a volcano. Add Coke and Mentos and you have a real volcano. Oh no, not Coke and Mentos volcanoes. Is it animating? Ah, now it is. Just needed to save it. Alright. Okay, we're back to the bonfire. Ah, our aircon is gone. Okay, we need the aircon back. Did I delete it or I deleted it? Let me get my recycle bin. Recycle bin, we need air conditioning back. Restore. Where did this go? There it is. Okay. Let's get the air conditioning back in. Import everything. The first person to mix Coke and Mentos was probably scared and thought they would just release a demon from Ghostbusters. Probably, yeah. Where is my setting mesh? There. I think this is perfect placement. Looks really good. Let's rotate 90. Which axis? This one. Maybe like this. And scale it up like this wide. White boy. But at least they know who to call if something is strange. Yeah. True, true, true. Especially if there's something strange in the neighborhood. This is aircon done. Let's save everything before it crashes again. Maybe the vending machine was a bit too much for Unreal. Let's try it again. We don't learn from our mistakes. Vending machine, where is it? There we go. Let's just drag it in here. Why does it say Corona everywhere? What? Import all. Hey, look, it's Unreal crashing again. Wow. Okay, something is going wrong in this vending machine thing. Okay. I think I need to figure that out in Blender for a sec. Let's import the vending machine into Blender then. I blame the fire. The fire's fine. F indeed. Vending machine, FBM, FBX. Did I import it in Blender before? I'm not sure. Oh boy, PC is working hard to get it into Blender. Yes, something. Well, that's not a vending machine, at least not everything of a vending machine. Yes, it is Blender. Okay, what went wrong, dude? Let's download the vending machine. Where did I get the vending machine from? Good that I have this thing called... Oh boy, I should put all of this on stream. My credit TXT, where's the vending machine? Bonfire, glasses, Iron Man, Japanese vending machine. There it is. Copy the link out of there. So basically this file is linked in my description if you want to grab some of these models. Alright, looks like the vending machine. Download. Get this closed. And unzip all of this stuff. Is there more than... oh boy, than an FBX in there? If not, this could be bad. It's just the FBX, okay. Maybe the FBX is just broken. No, it works. Look, it works here. Huh. Okay, I blame air conditioning. I will just not judge your files for a second. Thanks. Okay, so this works in here. It doesn't work in Blender and Unreal though, but I got a trick. File, import. There's a plugin called Better FBX. Where is it? Better FBX, which is also just an FBX importer, but it's better. I don't know why. Some dude just created it and it works for some FBX files, and for some FBX files the normal Blender importer works better, and I don't know why. It just sometimes be like that. Okay, this time FBX, not FPS or FPX. This time everything just breaks. Alright. You might need better FPS. Maybe. Ah boy, why can't I get it into Unreal and Blender? That's annoying. Okay, what is this? Go by. FBX. The Better Everything plugin. I wish. I just need the make everything look good good button. Okay, so no vending machine for now. Let's get Unreal back up. Unreal. What else can we add? The vending machine is broken for now. Let's browse Studio. Artorias and Gwyn from Dark Souls are there. Don't want to add those though right now. Already did this. Add a panic button. My panic button was for hate rates, so it is a little outdated, but never mind. I have a panic button too. Wait a sec. Was it this button? I don't want to push it. I have a panic button on my Stream Deck to lock chat down and everything. So don't need it inside of Unreal. What else is there to do today? Your GPU been like kill me. Yeah, basically the whole time. Let then just get some simple stuff in here. Like I found new glasses I want to use. Oh, I shouldn't have clicked on the props folder. I guess the props folder is the issue. My PC is dying again. Ah, right. Oh boy. Something in the props folder is killing everything. Dude, what is wrong, Unreal? Let's kill Unreal really quick again. Killed it. My panic button swaps to be right back scene, clears chat, puts chat on sub only, sends message in chat saying panic time, and plays a 3-minute advert. Then there's Riku. You don't stop living until I let you. Yeah, basically. I mean, you guys can enjoy my suffering, not only in Dark Souls or Darkest Dungeon, but in real life, trying to build something, which crashed like 5 times now. But I think this time it will work. I'm pretty sure. I hope. Let's see Task Manager, what's happening. Task Manager, tell me. Ah, good idea to open the project in the props folder. That's a good idea, oh no. Ah yeah, we're at 8.6 gigabytes VRAM right now. So still a bit room left. You gotta look on the bright side. It's not costing you money to death on death because there's no death yet. True. You might need a new PC on death. Nah, it will be fine. Where are the glasses? Here are the glasses. Let's get the new glasses in there. Star glasses. Hello? There we go. Okay, we have texture. We have a matte cap. And we have some other stuff. Nice. You enjoy your sub-stream elements. True. Stream elements with the sub. Let's get the frame working. Don't open a separate window for this Unreal. For some reason, every separate Unreal window is killing everything. Let's get everything in there. Don't need matte cap, I think. I think I just need the base color and emissive here. Nice. We don't really have a normal. What is this? Shade up black. Yeah, thanks. I know that's black. Apply. And save. Hey Taylor, what up? Welcome to this scuffed stream. Unreal just crashed like 5 times. I hope this time it will work. And now we need to fix the glass. But I think instead of trying to fix it in the material, we're just using another glass material that's already there. Like this one, for example. Please. Okay, we need to deactivate Nanite again. Disable. Save all. Yes, please. What's up, Taylor? What are you doing? How was your day? Party glasses. Well, that glass doesn't really work. Can we get another one? Also not really. Do we have some other glass here? Not really. For some reason I can't have the third gifting badge, so I have this purple gifting badge. Wait. Ah, now I understand. I don't know why. Don't ask me. Today was stressful, why? I'm not trying to find a GPU. Okay. That could be stressful right now with the prices and everything. Though kinda fits the theme of my channel identity. Yeah, kinda. Someone else? Yeah, I can't remember who. Arthcrafts. Ah, right, Arthcraft gifted it one. He was the one. Let me get my glasses on my character. Where is Riku? There's Riku. This isn't the right folder. Riku eyes. Yo, thank you for the sub, Yuna. Thank you for the prime. Thanks so much. Right in this moment, my OBS is kinda crashing. What the fuck? Now it works. But thank you so much, Yuna. Really appreciate it. Now we are at, also, we can't see it because it isn't started, but we are at 26 now, I guess. Nice. Good GPU, who needs it? All I need is potato in 0.469 FPS. There was a massive argument all day. What kind of argument? Oh, it was college. Ah, okay. But what kind of argument? Let's get into my character. Open. Please do the open. It do be the open. And get the glasses. Where are the glasses? Glasses. Props. I really don't learn from my mistakes. Oh boy. What did I say? Don't click the props folder. And I clicked the props folder. And Unreal's dying again. Got it. 0420. Nice. You don't need FPS if you T-pose in chair. I guess so. Yes, Unreal died. Perfect. Perfect. You know what, guys? I think this is a good moment to end the stream. At least I don't have to close Unreal. That's something. Let me just check who we can raid. Oh, Ndi is still on, building her pixel art. We can raid her. I think that's cool. So let's get a message ready. Ice cream raid. Bonk, bonk, bonk. So for you who don't know, Ndi is also a fellow VTuber and good friend. And she's currently playing Minecraft a ton and building some pixel art in there, which is pretty cool. So this is our raid message for now. Rip indeed. But whatever. It sometimes be like that. And now let's just raid Ndi. It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you too, boom. Your name is really easy to remember too, also. Enjoy seeing things and stuff. Yeah, I will be streaming mostly Dark Souls and Darkest Dungeon right now, but sometimes I will go back to Unreal to do this kind of stuff. So maybe we'll see again, I hope. So let's raid Ndi. And everyone have a nice evening, I guess.
I hope you've been having a good day so far. I'm proud of you for how much work you've done. We've just been raided. And we've just been raided in the middle of some ASMR. That's some ice cream raiders.